Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be putting a new carby on the pit bike, as well as installing my brand new tyres and tubes. So with that out of the way, let's just get straight into it. Alright, so my new carby and air filter just arrived earlier today. This is a replica Mikuni carburetor, I believe that's how you say it, that I just got off of eBay. So now I'm just going to do a bit of a time lapse and chuck all this onto the pit bike.
Would you fly?
Okay, so I got the carby all installed now. I had to use all of the old bolts because the new ones are actually too short. So they're too short to use as the bolts that go through here, and they're too long for these bolts, so I just reused all the old ones. The other thing is I had to reroute this throttle cable. I had to put it between the head tube and the fork because it was just going to stick up like crazy out there. As well as, I thought this air filter was blue, because on all the pictures it looked like it was like anodized blue. Turns out it's just this cover, so I have a silver air filter, but it doesn't matter, it matches anyway. So, yeah. Now I've just got to figure out how to hook up all the fuel tank and stuff once I get that. Alright, so my new set of tyres and tubes have arrived now. I had the tubes a couple of weeks ago, but my tyres just got here today. So we got my new set of Dunlop Geomax MX53 tyres, the medium terrain tyres here. So now I'm going to start installing them onto the rims. Just got a bucket under there with the jumper just to try and stop scratching the rims as much as I can.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like Kung Fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to go down below, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.